Hey, it's Lori Ballen in Las Vegas, Nevada, and I'm going to show you today how to add custom fields to your command. Custom fields are here because everybody's databases are going to be different, and we're going to need custom fields to add certain things about our databases. So all you have to do to add a custom field is go up here to Settings, then go to Command Settings, Custom Fields. So here's a good example of custom fields. I have IP address. The IP address is the unique Internet Protocol address of the web address that somebody's using when they're on the computer, and I can use this with my analytics to look up lead sources, where they landed, where they left, that type of thing. Landing page for me is so I can put a URL in there so I know where the person entered or where they left. And these are really important as I'm importing in from other sources things that I don't want to lose. So all you have to do, if I want to edit these, I can click on the pencil and edit it, or I can click on the trash and get rid of it. Create new custom field. So maybe I want to say custom field, what is their favorite flower? Because we've done our getting to know you and we've got that information in there. So then what field type do we want that to be? All right, text field means they're going to be able to just type in a quick answer. Roses, tulips, whatever. A text area is going to be a larger area they can type into. Drop down is where you give options. So you could put roses, tulips, whatever. You've got some those types of things. Okay, that's what your drop down is going to be. And then when that field pops up, you'll see there's a little drop down. Now, here's what you want to be careful about with things like drop downs is this is a little bit advanced, but if you're using something like PySync to sync databases, and you want to say, if this field is not empty in this database, then add roses or add tulips. Instead, what will happen is it will override it when you're using something like a drop down. So you have to be careful with those kind of things. The drop downs and things aren't the best for exports and importing. So down the road, those can get you in a little bit of trouble. But sometimes you only want forced answers because for a certain reason, and so you're gonna use that. We'll talk about more of that as we go along. A checkbox, so you could put something like you wouldn't put favorite flower and then have them check it off. You might say something like, does this seller live locally? Checkbox. Or absentee owner, checkbox, right? You're going to check it off if they are an absentee owner or whatever, something like that. You can do a number, you can do a URL, you can do a percentage, and you can do currency. So these are all of your abilities to add custom fields. So whatever you were using in your old database that you might have custom fields for, it might be worth moving those over. Maybe I've got real estate agents in here and I want to know if they are or are not a member of one of my courses. So I might have a checkbox, yes or no. That type of thing. You might have lenders in here and there's a specialty kind of program and you want to know if that lender offers it versus another one. So you might check yes or no rather than having a text field. So that's pretty easy. That's how you add custom fields to KW Command.